As we approach half-term, I'd like to take this opportunity to recognise the efforts of everyone working in education throughout Wales and the achievements of all our learners as you return to your schools, colleges and universities. We know how hard you've all been working to keep our schools and colleges open and to continue to provide a safe space for our young people to learn. This has often been under pressure, and while we still deal with the presence of COVID in our communities. And thanks to everyone for doing your bit in helping reduce the spread of COVID through simple things like regular hand washing. It's important that we keep doing this so that our schools and colleges can continue to stay open next term. For staff and students in secondary schools and colleges, I'd like to ask that you continue to take the twice-weekly lateral flow tests during the half-term break. This will allow us to continue to monitor rates of the virus and identify any new cases before the start of the new half-term. Above all, I hope you all have a well-deserved break and enjoy the holiday. Diolch o galon.